Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to browse using the internet. So the internet, it is a vast network which connects the computers from all over the world, and you can share information and get information using the internet. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am at my desktop. I will be opening the Microsoft Edge. Now using the internet, I can get everything I want. All the informations, I can get them. So let me type the news. So now I'm getting all the latest news over here. If I want to see the images of news, now I can see the news. Now if I want the videos, I can get some of the news videos. If I want just the news as like the article format, I can get them all. So this is how you can use the internet to get anything you want. You can also select the criteria of news you want, like the entertainment or the sports. You can select it all. You can search for anything like you want. You can search for let's say the sports pictures, your daily news, the current weather, and everything else. So this is how you can browse using the internet. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to browse using the internet. Thank you for watching.